Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Chemistry with Soleha. In this lecture, we will discuss the nomenclature of alkyl halides. Alkyl halides are organic molecules having alkyl chain attached with the halogen atom. If one halogen atom is attached with the alkyl chain, that would be the monohaloalkane. If two halogen atoms are attached, that would be the dihaloalkanes and so on. So let's discuss the IUPAC nomenclature of alkyl halide. This is the saturated molecule in which the bromine atom is attached. The halogen atoms are treated as the substituent, not as the heading part of the molecule. When they are treated as a substituent or prefixes, they would be named as bromo, chloro, fluoro, iodo, and so on. When you select the heading part of the molecule, select that part of the molecule which contains maximum number of halogen groups or halogen atoms and start the numbering of the heading part from that side where the halogen atom gets the lower locant. 1, 2, and 3. At second position, there is a bromine atom. So name of the molecule would be 2-bromopropane because 3 saturated carbon atoms are present. In this molecule, chloro and bromo groups are present. When you have to name such kind of the molecule, use alphabetical order. Firstly, number the heading part 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So name of the molecule would be 2-bromo-3-chloropentane, not 3-chloro-2-bromo. You have to follow the alphabetical order. In this molecule, 2 bromine atoms are present. So you have to use the word di before bromine. So firstly, select the heading part and number the heading part 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So name of the molecule is 2,3-dibromopentane. Same, in this molecule, 2 halogen atoms are present and 1 methyl group is also present. So firstly, you have to select the heading part and start the numbering of heading part. But keep in mind, the preference would be given to the halogen atoms, not to the alkyl substituents. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Name of the molecule would be written in alphabetical order. 3-chloro-2-iodo 4-methyl-pentane. So this is another example. Firstly, number the heading part 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Name of the molecule would be 2-bromo, 4-chloro, 3-ethyl, 3-methyl-pentane. Right? Follow the alphabetical order. Now in this molecule, the double bond is present. This is not an alkyl halide but an alkenyl halide because double bond is present in a molecule. So number the heading part, but numbering would be given to the heading part as the halogen atom get the lower locant. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It means double bond does not get preference over the halogen atom, but the halogen atoms get preference over the double bond. So name of the molecule would be 2,3-dichloro-3-pentene. Let's have a look at this example. Here the 2 double bonds are present. So firstly, select the heading part of the molecule and then start the numbering. But you have to select that part of the molecule as a heading part which contains maximum double bonds and maximum halogen substituents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So name of the molecule would be 2,3-dichloro-4-methyl-2,5-hexadiene. Right? Digits and alphabets would be separated by a hyphen and 2 digits would be separated by a comma. First letter of the name would be capitalized and the name would be written as a single word. Let's have a look at this example. If a ring system is attached with the chain system, then look for that part of the molecule as a heading part which contains maximum number of functional groups. If 2 parts contain the same number of functional group, then give ring part preference over the chain part and select ring part as a heading part. So number the heading part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Number the chain part 1, 2, 3, and 4. So name of the molecule would be 2-chloro 1-butyl, right? Because in the substituent part, this one, chlorine atom is attached at the second carbon, and this whole part is actually a butyl, and this butyl group is attached at second carbon of ring system, right? And ring system contains one chlorine atom as a substituent, and it is cyclic hexane. For this molecule, both fluorine and bromine are the halogens, and a single halogen is present on chain structure and ring structure. So ring structure would be preferred for the heading part. So number the heading part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Numbering would be started from that carbon which is halogenated. Now number the substituent part 1, 2, and 3. In the substituent part, there is a fluoro group attached at second carbon and olefinic bond at first carbon. 2 fluoro, 1 propene, and 1 allyl. This part is in bracket, and this part is attached at second carbon of the heading part. And the heading part itself contains bromine atom at first carbon, so use 1 bromo, and olefinic bond at second and fourth carbon, so use 2, 4, and cyclic ring having 2 double bonds, so use cyclo word and diene for 2 double bonds, and the ring contains 5 carbon atoms, so use the word 2,4-cyclopentadiene. Now moving on toward another example. This is a molecule with 3-membered cyclic ring structure. Both chain and ring structure is present, and both have equal number of substituents, so prefer the ring structure for the heading part. 1, 2, 3. Now number the substituent part 1, 2, and 3. Substituent part contains 1 acetylenic bond at first carbon atom and bromine atom at third carbon atom. So a substituent part would be written as 3 bromo, 1 propyne, 1 allyl. Like this, 3 bromo, 1 propyne, 1 allyl, and this substituent part is in brackets and is attached at first carbon of the heading part. And the heading part contains 1 chlorine atom at first carbon atom. So use 1 chloro, and the ring contains 3 carbon atoms and it is saturated, so use word cyclopropane. So this was all about the nomenclature of alkyl halides.